Hey everyone, welcome to my honest review of BodyCode KETO, one of the most talked about supplements right now. If you've been trying to lose weight, feel more energetic, or finally break through that stubborn plateau, this video is for you. But before you buy, there are two critical things you must know about BodyCode KETO, so keep watching. First things first, don't fall for cheap copies. BodyCode KETO is only available on the official website, which I've linked below in the description and in the first pinned comment. That's the only way to guarantee you're getting the real product directly from the manufacturer, with full safety and money-back guarantee. BodyCode Keto is a natural fat-burning formula that helps your body switch from burning carbs to burning fat for energy. It contains BHB ketones, green tea extract, L-carnitine, and apple cider vinegar, which work together to accelerate ketosis, suppress appetite, and boost focus. This process helps you lose weight steadily without feeling hungry or exhausted. Thousands of men and women around the world are already seeing amazing results. Noticeable fat loss, improved mental clarity, and steady energy throughout the day. Some users even reported losing up to 10 to 15 pounds within a month just by adding BodyCode Keto to their daily routine. It's made in FDA-approved facilities following strict GMP standards. That means no harmful chemicals, stimulants, or toxins, just clean, tested ingredients that work with your body. It's gluten-free, non-GMO, and completely safe for daily use. And yes, BodyCode KETO comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. To get the best results, take 2 capsules daily, drink plenty of water, and stay consistent. Your body will start adapting to ketosis faster, and you'll feel the difference in your energy, focus, and confidence. So if you're ready to take back control of your body, the official link is in the description and in the first pinned comment below this video. Go check it out while it's still available and start your transformation today. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Make it happen. Thousands have already started their journey with BodyCode Keto. Now it's your turn.